What's going on, guys? What's going on in the world? Thank you for tuning in to Shervin TV. I know a lot of you guys are stuck at home, but it's okay. So today I'm going to show you how to make an easy braised lamb taco. So this video, we're going to break it down into 3 sections. The first section is how to make the lamb. The second section is how to make the sauce. And the third section is the vegetable that go into the taco and how to set it up. So as you can see on the video, I have 2 pans. One is a 6-inch, the other one is a 2-inch. So I use hickory wood chips. You can use apple wood, that's all up to you. And I puncture the 2-inch pan, add a little bit of water into the wood so to get more flavors out of the chips. And now we're gonna cut our peaches into half. So be real careful when you turn the peaches in the knife so you don't end up cutting yourself. You can use a paring knife or a spoon to clean out the core. Lay the peaches skin side up, and we're gonna wrap it with a foil, and we're gonna smoke it to a medium high heat for about 15 to 20 minutes. So if you want more smoky flavor, then you might want to do more. It's time to get smoky. 20 minutes later. Look how nice it is. I have to slow the video down to show you guys all the smoky that's coming out of it. So we're gonna transfer everything into a pot. So we're gonna bring it back to a boil, bring it back to the stove for additional 5 to 10 minutes. So you're gonna need the following: add everything together: the garlic, the brown sugar, water, vinegar, and the rum, and then add the peaches into the pot. And that should be it. Bring it to a boil, and then you're gonna have a lovely sauce. When it's done, we're gonna blend it. I smashed the garlic, but you don't have to, since everything gonna be blended anyway. You're gonna need a pinch of salt, about a 2 pinch of salt with this recipe. And now we're gonna add the rest of the, make sure you take the stem out of the habanero pepper and add the peaches. And then we're gonna bring it to a simmer for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now our sauce is ready to be blended. And that's it, guys. It's an easy, simple recipe. Share this video with someone you think that might want to see it, especially with the holiday that's coming. I know a lot of you might have the same old recipe or the same old sauce. If you want to, change it, tweak it a little bit, and I think that's a good sauce that go well with ham, turkey, pretty much any kind of meat that you have on the table. Christmas, is coming around the corner. So definitely share the video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.